Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp microphone if not working on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, you can check your microphone permission. Go to the settings on your phone and click Apps and select Apps Management. And here scroll down and click WhatsApp. Then tap Permissions. And here, select the microphone and make sure that your microphone is turned on and it's allowed. You can also check another app if using microphone. You can close the apps and you can restart your phone again. Here you can also clear the WhatsApp cache. You can go to the settings and click the WhatsApp storage and you can clear the cache. Reopen WhatsApp and test. You can also open the WhatsApp and test the recorder app and try recording your voice. If it doesn't work, you can update WhatsApp and system software. You can update WhatsApp on Google Play Store or check your system updates in settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.